Hi everyone, is your Maya eSIM not working on Android or iPhone? In this video, we will show you quick fixes to get your eSIM up and running in no time. Why Maya eSIM not working on Android and iPhone? The eSIM may not be activated properly. There could be compatibility issues with your device, network congestion, or service outages may be affecting connectivity. Incorrect account information might have been entered during the activation. The eSIM profile may need to be reinstalled or reset. Your device's software may be outdated and require an update. The eSIM line may not be turned on in settings. Fix 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that Wi Fi is turned on your device. Attempt to access a website or an app that needs an internet connection. If it fails to load, there may be a problem with your connection. If you're still experiencing difficulties, restart your device by turning it off and then back on. For Wi Fi users, unplug your router, wait for 10 seconds, and then plug it back in to reboot it. Fix 2. Check eSIM compatibility. Go to eSIM compatibility page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Scroll down to compatible device section and check the available list. If you see your device name and model, you can install eSIM in your device without any issue. If not, you cannot install the eSIM. Check carrier unlock status. If your phone is locked, you cannot activate Maya eSIM on your device. For iOS, go to Settings, then General, then go to About, then tap on Carrier Lock. If it states no SIM restrictions, your iPhone is unlocked. If it states SIM locked, your iPhone is still locked to a carrier. For Android, go to your phone settings app, connection or network and internet, mobile network SIM turn off automatically. If your phone displays multiple carrier names, it is likely unlocked. If it only shows your current carrier, it is likely locked. To unlock the device, reach out to current network and raise a request. If you are eligible, they will help you to unlock the device. Check coverage. Make sure you have a good coverage in country you're traveling with. Go to Maya coverage map. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Then enter your country name or address in the search bar. Make sure you have enough coverage to use Maya eSIM there. Fix 5. Reinstall again. Open the email you received from Maya Mobile and locate the QR code for eSIM. For iOS device, go to Settings, then Cellular or Mobile Data, then Add SIM. Click Use QR code. Scan the code provided by Maya Mobile. Follow on-screen instructions to complete the process. For Android devices, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, select SIM Manager, select Add SIM. The steps might vary, it depends on device. Scan the QR code provided by Maya Mobile. Follow on-screen instructions to install the eSIM. Fix 6. Troubleshoot eSIM settings. Restarting your eSIM can help refresh the network connection, resolve temporary glitches that may be affecting the eSIM ability to connect. For iPhone, open the Settings app, tap on Cellular or Mobile Data. We should see your Maya SIM listed. If it is not enabled, tap on it and toggle the switch to turn it on. If it is enabled, turn off, wait for 10 seconds and turn on again. For Android, open Settings app, tap on Network and Internet or Connections, select SIM card manager or mobile networks. Choose the Maya eSIM card you want to enable and toggle the switch to turn it on. If it is enabled, turn off, wait for 10 seconds and turn on again. Fix 7. Check data roaming settings. For iPhone, open the Settings app, tap on Cellular or Mobile Data, select Cellular Data options, tap on Data Roaming and toggle it to turn it on. For Android, open the Settings app, tap on Network and Internet or Connections, select Mobile Network or SIM card manager. Choose the Maya eSIM you want to enable data roaming for. Find the data roaming option and toggle it to turn it on. Fix 8. Update device operating system. New updates ensure that your device is compatible with the latest eSIM technology and features offered by carriers. For iOS devices, open Settings, then General, then go to Software Update. Your device will check for available updates. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Follow the prompts to complete the installation. For Android devices, open Settings, About Phone, Software Update or check for updates, then tap on Download and Install. If the option is not available, your phone is already running in the latest version. Fix 9. Network setting reset. If network settings have become corrupted or misconfigured, resetting them can restore the default configurations, eliminating conflicts. On iOS, open the Settings app, tap on General, go to Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset Network Settings, then confirm entering passcode if prompted. On Android, open Settings app, System, Reset or Reset options, Reset Network Settings, then tap on Confirm the reset when prompted. Fixed and contact support for new QR code. If problem continue, reach out to Maya Mobile Support for assistance or a new activation QR code. Go to Contact Us for support options. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Fill out the form with your email, subject and details about your issue. Include screenshot of issue if possible. You can also use the chat feature for immediate assistance.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.